Best DVI cables ensure stable signal transmission, sharp visuals, and reliable performance for seamless dual monitor productivity and multitasking. My today's video is about top 5 best DVI cables for dual monitor setup that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at DVI DisplayPort to DVI 6 feet cable. The DVI DisplayPort to DVI 1.8M cable delivers reliable performance for users connecting modern PCs to DVI-equipped monitors or projectors. Built with a premium chip solution and multi-layer shielding, it ensures instantaneous and accurate data transmission with minimal interference. The integrated advanced IC chip efficiently converts DisplayPort to DVI signals. Note, it is not bidirectional, making it ideal for desktops or laptops with DisplayPort output. Supporting resolutions up to 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz, including 720p and 1600 by 1200. This cable provides crisp full HD visuals suitable for office work, streaming, and presentations. Gold-plated connectors resist corrosion while enhancing signal stability, and molded strain relief improves long-term durability. The latching DisplayPort connector offers a firm, secure fit, preventing accidental disconnections during use. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support, this cable combines performance, stability, and peace of mind, an excellent choice for dependable DisplayPort to DVI connectivity. Now our second product is Amazon Basics HDMI to DVI adapter cable. The Amazon Basics 10-foot HDMI to DVI cable is a practical solution for connecting HDMI and DVI devices without hassle. Designed for bidirectional use, it allows you to connect an HDMI-equipped laptop, console, or streaming device to a DVI monitor, or link a DVI source to an HDMI display. This flexibility makes it ideal for home offices, older monitors, and presentation setups. IT supports devices with HDMI, DVD24+1, and DVI24+5 ports, ensuring broad compatibility. While it does not support 4K at 60 Hz, it handles standard HD resolutions smoothly, making it suitable for everyday work, video playback, and basic gaming. Durability is a highlight, featuring gold-plated connectors for enhanced conductivity and corrosion resistance. The sturdy net jacket adds an extra protective layer, helping prevent wear and tear over time. At 10 feet long, it offers convenient reach for flexible desk or entertainment center arrangements, delivering dependable performance at a budget-friendly price. Our third product is Ureligan DVI cable 6 feet. This 6-foot DVI cable is a dependable solution for connecting desktops or laptops to DVI-enabled displays. Designed with both 24+1 and 24+5 pin compatibility, it works seamlessly with a wide range of monitors, projectors, HD TVs, and digital CRT or LCD panels. Setup is straightforward. Just plug and play for instant connectivity. Performance is solid, supporting resolutions up to 1920 by 1210 at 60 Hz with a high-speed digital transmission rate of up to 9.9 gigabits per second. The result is sharp, stable full HD visuals ideal for office tasks, presentations, and multimedia use. Keep in mind that DVI transmits video only and does not carry audio signals. Durability and signal integrity stand out thanks to gold-plated connectors, bare copper conductors, foil and braid shielding, and integrated dual ferrite cores. These features reduce interference, suppress noise, and ensure consistent, static-free transmission. Backed by responsive 24-hour customer support, this cable offers reliability, performance, and peace of mind for everyday display connectivity needs. Now number 4, DVI USB-C to DVI cable. The DVI USB-C to DVI adapter is a practical solution for streaming and extending displays without relying on unstable Wi-Fi casting. It allows you to stream sports, movies, games, and photos directly from compatible devices like the Samsung Galaxy S8, Samsung Galaxy S9, and Note series, ensuring smooth, cable-based performance. Note, It's mainly designed for computers and does not include a charging port. With true plug-and-play functionality, no drivers or software are required. It works seamlessly with devices such as MacBook Pro, Surface Book 2, Dell XPS 13, and more, supporting resolutions up to 1920 x 1200 at 60 Hz for crisp full HD output on DVI monitors or projectors. The reinforced casing improves heat insulation, while the non-slip, durable Type-C cable ensures a secure connection. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive support, it's a reliable, travel-friendly adapter for work, presentations, and entertainment. And our last choice is TDCK DisplayPort to DVI cable 6 feet. The DisplayPort to DVI cable is a high-quality solution for connecting desktops or laptops to DVI-enabled monitors, HD TVs, or projectors. Its upgraded monolithic design features a durable braided cable, extended joints, and gold-plated connectors, combining aesthetics with long-term durability. The integrated DisplayPort and DVI connectors provide strong anti-scratch protection, ensuring reliable performance even with frequent plugging and unplugging. Equipped with a high-performance chip, this cable delivers a stable connection and flawless full HD output at 1080p at 60 Hz, supporting resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. The result is crisp, flicker-free video, ideal for work, streaming, or presentations. Note that DVI does not transmit audio, so an external sound solution is needed for audio playback. Compatibility is broad, working with devices from Lenovo, Dell, HP, Asus, and more that feature a DisplayPort output. With true plug-and-play functionality requiring no drivers, this cable is convenient and user-friendly. Backed by a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, it offers peace of mind and reliable performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.